欢迎跟我学中文。今天我们学习怎么说
You three planned this? All right. That's it. Get out. No! You three planned this?
你们仨儿早有计划的。你们仨儿早有计划的。
All right.
好了，好了。
That's it.
不许再玩了，不许再玩了。
Get out.
快上来，快上来。
No!
不上，不上。我们先来学一下生词。你们仨儿早有计划的。你们仨儿，你们仨儿，你们仨儿，仨儿。Sar means three. The character consists of the people radical and the number 3. It's used almost exclusively for people, usually of some sort of established relationship. We learned the one for two people in episode 10, 俩. Both words are very common in conversational Mandarin. 早有计划，早有计划，早，早。We learned this word also in episode 10. 早餐 breakfast. 早点 breakfast items. We'll see more examples later. 有早有计划 a plan or to plan. 早有计划的We mentioned this function of the previously. We'll discuss it a bit more in a grammar episode. 好了，好了。不许再玩了，不许再玩了。I take this to mean that she's not accepting any more of what she's seeing and want the kids to stop. In Chinese, you have to be specific about what is it that you're not accepting. So she's likely to say, 不许再玩了。No more playing. 不许再 we'll talk about this word a bit more later. 玩了 Check out episode 23 for this function of 了。快上来快 This is almost a standard starting word for any motherly command. 上来来 上 is not exactly a legit action word, but it teams up with many other characters to form proper action words that contains this meaning. In English, we say, get out of the water. But in Chinese, we have to go by how things are related to ourselves spatially. If you are here, someone is here. To ask them to move up to your level, you say 上来, coming towards you. But if you're here as well, to ask them to move up to a level, you say 上去, up, away from you. 不上不上 Note that to express objection to do something, you have to repeat whatever you are refusing to do. So you have to say 不上 不 on its own never makes adequate sense. 早 This is a very common prefix to things or action words. When prefixing things, it brings the meaning of early, in the morning. We learned 早餐 breakfast, 早点 breakfast items. When prefixing action words, it brings the meaning of early, long held before, sooner than expected, occurring in the morning. 早有 having had something in place for a while. 早有计划 having had a plan in place for a while. 早起 gets up early in the morning. We discussed 起 in episode 22, one of which meanings is to rise. 她天天早起 She gets up early every day. She's an early riser. 早知道 having known something for a while. 我早知道了 I've known it for a while. 早说 tell it sooner. 你不早说 Why didn't you tell me this? Why do you wait till now to tell me? 再 again, continuously. This is also a common prefix for action words. 别再玩了 No more playing. 再见 See you again. 你会再来吗 Will you come again? 再来 Do it again, do it again. This is often said to encourage a child to do again what they're learning to do. Or if it's among friends, this could mean to have another round of something, like drinks or games. 再生 literally means born again. 生 to give birth to. We now often hear 再生能源 renewable energy. 好，下一节我们学习怎么说。
I am your mother. You have to do what I say. Come on.
We were swimming and you can't stop us.
If you find this content useful, please like this video to support my channel. 多谢各位的陪伴，我们下次见。